Nobody just wakes up and decides that they need to buy an iPhone, right? There is always a journey. A user gets aware about a product or a solution or a problem in their life, then they go to a consideration stage where they start evaluating solutions to solve their problem, and then there is a conversion stage where they end up buying your solution or product. These three stages form a content marketing funnel. Content marketing funnel is super important to your content marketing. Hello friends, I am Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing, and today's video is about content marketing funnel. This is a part of content marketing playlist, to check that out. Let's start with content marketing funnel now. When you don't understand content marketing funnel, you are creating a lot of content without getting any conversions. There is a disconnect between what consumer wants and what you're creating. Because if all you're doing is putting salesy content out there in the world, all your blog posts, social media posts are all about selling your product, then you are missing on a super critical user journey that we just talked about. A user is not just waking up with a product need, they are waking up with a problem. And if you're not there when they are trying to seek solution to their problem, then you are missing out. And that's why understanding content marketing funnel is super important. So content marketing funnel is divided primarily into three stages: awareness, evaluation, and conversion. These are three broad stages, but if you want, you can add more layers to your funnel to make it more nuanced and make your content marketing strategy comprehensive. Let's take a deep dive into funnel. This is a chart that I'm using from Lucid Chart. You can look up, there are several content marketing funnels that you will find on the internet. Okay, top of the funnel. What is TOFU? TOFU is called top of the funnel, where I gave an example that thousands of people started their journey to buy a product. That's the maximum number of people come in the top of the funnel layer. Then out of them, only few proceed who take certain kind of research action, they check their finances, etc. These are people who are coming in the middle of the funnel. BOFU, which means bottom of the funnel, are the people who actually go ahead and take demos, they go and reach out to customer support, or they reach out to salespeople, they attend some sort of webinar, they connect with your sales folks, or they end up taking a test of your product. These are bottom of funnel people. These are really closest to conversion. That's how this funnel is designed. You can create, now there are different ways through which you can actually take advantage of this funnel, and we're going to explore more. As a marketer, it's your job to attract your user in the early stage of their journey. For example, if your ideal persona has fitness issue, then you would want them to be your blog, to be the first blog they read about fitness. That way you build deeper connection with them. If your content is of high quality, they would think highly about you, and when they reach the decision or the conversion stage or evaluation stage followed by decision stage, they will trust you more because they think of you as a word of authority. Using the principle of reciprocity, you know that when you give someone a lot of value, they give you back when there is the right time. So your consumer would do the same. If you're giving them a lot of value, when they are making their final purchase decision, they will end up coming to you. Someone moves to your middle of the funnel, that means that they have realized that you are the person who might be able to solve their problem. You have gained their attention. That means they are closer to conversion. In this case, you can use a tool like email marketing to capture their lead so that you can push them further into the funnel. You should always also invite them to follow you on your social handles so that they see you again and again. Start sending them blog posts on their emails, send them push notes, and try to move them further in their conversion funnel. Bottom of the funnel, where the person is really considering you They are about to make purchase, but they are just one step away. If you screw up something, they will just run away or vanish. You don't want to do that. So what you need to do in the bottom of the funnel is you need to make sure that when you are passing on your marketing sales qualified leads or marketing qualified leads to sales, they do the justice. If you have end-to-end purchase journey digital, then you make sure that you have the right triggers. So for instance, let me take an example of Domino's pizza. If someone has added your pizza to cart but they somehow abandon it, make sure that you have the right triggers to convert that customer. If they abandon cart, give them 10% discount maybe, or maybe say that next purchase they will get XYZ thing free, so that you end up converting now. So you need to make marketing tactics around each funnel stages, so that your funnel is most efficient. So that's all for now, folks. As always, the best way to learn is by asking questions. So head to comment section if you have any specific questions. I make sure that I answer 100% of my comments. Also, this video is part of content marketing playlist. Do check that out. There are several videos in there.